9127 West Elwood, Tolleson, Arizona. 1,765 square feet of 2005 build. Gorgeous house. Absolutely been redone, repainted. Tile floor throughout except for the master where they have new carpet. Rather than go out to the main living area, let's go to the left into the hallway where we have a split floor plan. And ceiling fan, bedroom number 1, all new blinds, raised panel doors, fresh paint in and out, move-in ready, clean smelling. Hall bath, full bath, granite countertops, brushed nickel finish on the faucets. I mean, come on, folks. Even the bathtub and everything is clean, clean, clean. I mean, clean. Back bedroom, big ceiling fan in place. Nice closet space, everything painted. Most of these doors are new. We've got a coat closet here in the hallway. And then we come out to the main open kitchen floor plan area. Raised cathedral ceiling, ceiling fan in place. Ceiling lighting, granite tile countertops, serve over counter. We have a pantry in place right here. This stuff has some stuff in it still, but just to show you, there's a big pantry. And then what do we have? Brand new appliances. Brand new refrigerator, LG refrigerator. Brand new microwave. Brand new stove, Whirlpool, brand new LG dishwasher, brand new faucet and sink and disposal. Floors have all been tiled and grout cleaned. We got a Arcadia door here with screen in place. And I hate to keep mentioning it, but all new blinds. Backyard. Drip system is in place. It's ready for, in the real estate business, we call this an open slate or an open canvas. But the drip system's already in place. And I want to call out that we have a bay window in the master, and this patio cover goes the entire length of the house. It's not one of those little ones that really are kind of pointless. This is a real nice patio, and this is a house that is a north-south exposure. So now we'll go over to the master. As we head over there, big size laundry room, place to fold your towels, place to put your extra laundry and blankets and towels and stuff. We have new faucets all the way around. We have a 220 outlet for dryer. Big car, a 2-car garage with a brand new garage door opener that works, and the garage has been completely painted out. So it's ready to go. Okay. Let's come over to the master. Beautiful bay window, brand new carpet. Okay. Paint, floor to ceiling, nice ceiling fan. And what do we got over here? Custom tile, garden tub. Real nice. That actually looks good right now. Twin sinks, big mirror. So, hall shower right here. And then a big walk-in closet for the master. I mean, it's nice sized. Should be able to fit pretty much everything in it. Tile throughout. Separate private commode, along with your twin sinks with granite countertops, brushed nickel finish. Folks, we're going to be putting this on the market at $330. And the next closest house is 330, and none of this stuff has been done. These are people that take care, have pride in their home ownership. They've owned it for years, and they've taken great care of it. So this is a move-in ready, real nice house. All right. Thank you.